Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will try to solve utility bills. We'll try to solve the problems with utility bills in Excel in different kinds of conditions. So let's start. Here we can see some condition that unit consumed 75, when 75 then the rate is 3.5, when 200 then 5 the rate, unit consumed 400 and then the rate is 6, one unit consumed is 600 and then the rate is 8, and when greater than 600 then the rate is 10 and the PAT is 15%, which will be needed for payable. Okay, so now we can see the metro number, etc., and username and unit consumed, and now we will find the bill amount. So let's start. We will use the if function. So equal if section. So here, if the unit consumed less than or equal 75, then the rate will be bill will be into 2.5. If the unit consumed less than or equal 200, then the will be rate is 5, multiplication will be 5. And if unit consumed less than or equal 400, then the consume will be multiplied by rate 6. But if the unit consumed less than or equal 600, then it will be multiplied by 8, and if not all the values, then we have to find the value of 10, and that's all about it. So we have find here this bill amount. So now we have to fix that. We can see the fixed amount is only the amount of 8 without 8 unit consumed. Okay, so we have to fix without C9. So I'm fixing, pressing F4, 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 and we have all fixed. And now if we just select and then drag, then we will found all the bill amount. We can see on the value is incorrect mode, so we have to check that if there is any wrong with. So you can see that everything one are not fixed, so that's why this problem occurred. So now if we just try, then we will find the values, bill amount. And now we have to find the payable. So payable is to find if not where if it's only via the equal the bill amount into the, we can see here, plus the VAT, and close the bracket, and we will find it, and it is changeable. So we are not fixing anything, and we can see that all the values is not same, so we have to fix, and the fixed is B7 because the VAT is not always fixed. So we have now find, and if we just select and drag, and then we will find all the payable money. And that's all about utility tables in different conditions. Thank you very much.